Protecting your digital assets starts with the right hardware. The ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 hardware wallet is built around a key component that delivers superior defense, the Secure Element chip. The Secure Element, or SE, is a specialized, tamper-resistant microprocessor chip. Think of it as a Fort Knox inside your wallet, designed to isolate and protect the most critical piece of your crypto security, your private keys. Why is this dedicated chip so important? Unlike a standard microcontroller unit, the Secure Element is engineered with numerous physical and software countermeasures. It's built to resist sophisticated attacks like side-channel analysis, where hackers try to extract data by monitoring power consumption or electromagnetic radiation, and fault attacks, which involve manipulating the device's circuitry. The ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 Secure Element is CCEAL5+ certified, a high-level, globally recognized security standard. This certification means it has undergone rigorous testing and provides robust protection against both physical intrusion and hacking attempts. When you generate your private keys on the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0, they are created and stored within the Secure Element. Crucially, they never leave the chip, ensuring they are never exposed to the internet or any other vulnerable components. The SE is essential for secure transaction signing. When you initiate a transaction, the request is sent to the Secure Element. The chip uses your private key to cryptographically sign the transaction internally and then sends the signed transaction back out via a QR code. Your private key remains locked safely inside the chip throughout the entire process. By combining this certified Secure Element with its air-gap design, meaning no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB connections, the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 creates a double-layered defense. The air-gap prevents remote, online hacks, while the Secure Element protects against physical, close proximity attacks. This is the definition of cold storage done right, providing you with peace of mind knowing your crypto is secure against virtually all known threats.